started my yoga, I think, around 5 years of age. My father taught me, he's my first guru, and my mother as well. So I've grown in that culture. So the upbringing is from yoga is given importance. So after that, a few years before I lost my brother, my father, who was very attached to me. So I was very much low mentally. I was very, very low. So that made me that the only yoga helped me to overcome that. So why not to others? What I benefited, I want to give it back to the society. So that's why I started. I started with 3, and now I think I have 30 plus. All of them are. I feel very nice that the mindset is changing. Earlier the mindset is only for old age people or the sick people. Now I am seeing the youth coming in. I think the awareness is there. The thing is healthy aging. So I promote that. It is not only that, it's about mental health. Mental awareness is very important. So I would say that be aware of your breath, be aware of the moment, and enjoy the moment by doing yoga. Stay happy.
Yoga class last year, but I have seen a lot of positivity in this. Yoga for me is a blend of mind and soul, and this Suma is like teaching us so much that after the session ends also, we feel so positive and our lives have really changed in a positive way. It really makes our mind so calm and peaceful. And we are leading a very happy life because of Suma. The inner peace that she gives through the asanas really make us so joyful and energetic. Thank you so much, Yoga.
I joined Suyoga 4 months ago, and I was suffering from a knee injury.
Okay.
And after joining here, now I can actually literally bend my legs. And Suma's guidance is so good, and she's really had patience. And I feel like I've become flexible, calmer, and peaceful. I'm really enjoying my time here. Thank you so much.
Doctor by profession, and I've joined yoga now since 2 years, and yoga helped me a lot. It is like your mind, body and soul connection. So with our yoga master Suma, so I got a lot of benefit on my movement, my breath, my body. My body became more flexible, and with stretching I got more power, and the strength also, and it helped me relax my mind and be peaceful, calm and composed and more focused in what I do in day-to-day life, because my job is very hectic. We have a very hectic schedule, but I still take time. I take 1 hour and come here regularly and do yoga. So it benefited me a lot, and I promote yoga to many other people in the society. So more and more people from young to middle age to old, they should all come and yoga for their own health benefit, because it is very helpful in keeping your mind, body, soul connected. It's like you are spiritually, you become more aware and you become more aligned, and it helps you becoming a better person, and it's very good for your health to keep your mind very calm and relaxed. So it benefited me a lot, and I want others to also get benefit out of it.
Since 5 years ago, I yoga joined. It has improved a lot. My back problem, sciatica, then I have very active anxiety problem. That also has been cured in this.
योगा खूप बरे दिसतात. खूप बरे शिकवता. योगा खातीर माझा कॉन्फिडन्स वाडटा आनी म्हाका शिकून बरें जाता. माझे हे सगळे धन्यवाद आसा ते सुमा मेडिकल.
So my name is Siddhi and I'm 21 years old. I've been a part of Suyoga since September 2024. So it's been almost 2 years, and Suyoga has actually it has developed my confidence, it has developed my strength, training. All thanks goes to Suma ma'am. And yeah, I would just recommend all the young generation, even older generation, younger generation to join Suyoga, because personally it has benefited me a lot. So yeah, I would encourage everyone to join Suyoga and be a part of this journey. Thank you.
I am into marathon and ultra distance running. So you need to do cross training to strengthen your core and other muscles. I've joined recently, but definitely it is going to help me in long time to improve my running